What's the slogan for Joe's?
The score for Joe's? I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna give it like a
You said the slogan?
I'm gonna give it 8.7.
The slogan.
Oh.
Did you guys see them take the chili? Oh. we were so into the pizza, like, we didn't even see that. You got your seatbelt on? Hey guys, so today we were supposed to eat at Deli, but as you can see behind me, the line is out of control. I'm not a name dropper, or I refuse to do that. My team gets so mad at me. I will not do it, and I'm not waiting in line because it's freezing in New York right now. So I think we're gonna go eat some pizza, so let's go. Where are we going? Oh, Prince Street Pizza. Like, that's really good. I'm not gonna lie, but
That line was crazy.
it's just too cold outside for like, to just, I mean, walking is like, you know, it's your body moving, but to sit there, it's just. So, guys, we walked about 7-8 minutes to Prince Street Pizza, and as you can see, there's a huge line over here as well. Don't know what's going on what's today, Tuesday? Yeah. Tuesday in New York. I mean, people are freaking hungry out here. I don't know what the hell's going on. I guess we all had the same idea to come and eat today. So, yeah, maybe we need to go somewhere else. We're not walking to the next place because it's way too far and it's freezing outside. But while we're waiting on our Uber, here are 3 things that I love about New York. I love the fact that everyone's walking around. Like, I feel human again. I live in LA and people drive everywhere. I always feel like I never have any human interaction in LA because I'm always in the car. So I love that about New York. I love the creativity here. I'm always inspired when I come here. You can dress in a costume every single day and no one cares. No one's looking at you weird because everyone is equally weird in New York. So my third thing would be the food. I have to say the food in New York is amazing. You can go anywhere, any corner store, any deli, any restaurant. You're always going to get something good in New York. Okay, guys, so we made it to Joe's Pizza. Joe, it's your spot.
Hey. Okay, come on.
So we're finally gonna get something to eat. We're starving at this point. So follow me. Larry, what you gonna get?
Pepperoni.
Yeah, me too. Oh, we don't have cash. The cash, you said? Can we order? Is that okay? I'll take a slice of pepperoni, please.
Anything?
Coke. Plastic. Oh, let me get the orange and cream, please. They want to take a picture? Yeah. Come back here. Yeah. Thank you.
Now with this one. Now with this one. Hold it.
Oh, hold it. Okay. Thanks, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. I think we all equally love, like, really spicy food. Can you get in on this pizza? Like, all the peppers? Yeah. All right, this is Famous Joe's Pizza. Thanks, Joe, for creating this pizza.
You did it, Joe.
You did it, Joe.
I hope you guys love my pizza. My grandma's recipe. Let's do it.
Wait, cheers, guys.
Cheers.
You are so LA.
Come on, come on. Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
I like it. Definitely hot.
It was hot as hell.
The peppers just took it up a notch too.
You ain't getting no cold pizza at Joe's. They don't even play those games.
Never at Joe's. Come on, this is my place, you know? I don't play around. I don't play around.
Joe gonna give it to you hot, baby. And as you can see, everyone is so nice here. Super nice. They didn't rush us in line. They didn't rush anyone in line. Like, great experience. How you feel, Larry, being from LA, having like a New York pizza?
So good. The dough is different from back home.
Ah. I definitely just burnt the shit out of my mouth.
What do you think is better?
I'm used to Pizza Hut, so this is a little better. No shade.
You guys like Pizza Hut better than Papa John's?
We're in Joe's Pizza. We're not gonna talk about other pizza places. This is my pizza place.
Don't mess up Joe's money.
What's the slogan for Joey's?
The score for Joe's? I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna give it like a
You said the slogan?
I'm gonna give it 8.7.
The slogan.
Oh. What is the slogan?
Check your hearing aid.
You know, I just came up with this 10 years ago. Let me remember. If you come to Joe's, you already knows.
Oh, period. You already knows. And you with Amber Rose.
Okay.
Like if you walk in here, you might get a bit intimidated because they gotta, you know, move fast to get like the line. See, now there's a huge line. The customer service is really good. Like they don't rush you. They're really nice. I've been to a lot of places in New York or just on the East Coast in general, and they're just like, hurry up, you know. But they give you an opportunity to pick and choose what you want, and it's really good. It's worth it.
Customer service is #1 at Joe's.
Did you guys see them take the chili? Oh. we were so into the pizza, we didn't even see that shit.
Oh look, Bill Murray was in here.
Oh, Conan. Oh my God, I love Conan.
Alright, Conan. He posted up outside.
It's my guy. Well, I guess I'll be up on the wall,
You will.
right?
Yeah.
That's cool. That's legendary.
You're a classic East Coast person. You're part of the classic. You know? You're before all the new microwave stuff.
I'm not drinking no water after pizza. Like, what's wrong with him?
I will admit, when you drink soda, which I don't drink, it does like knock that stuff down your throat, you know? You know what I mean?
Hey, yo. Relax, Joe. This is a family establishment. Well, all in all, I can say that this was a great experience. They really took care of us here. And I will definitely come back to Joe's while I'm in New York. All right, guys, it's a wrap. It's been a long journey today to try to find some good food in New York, but we found it at Joe's Pizza. It was amazing. The customer service was awesome. The pizza was really good. It was a bit hot. I burned my mouth, but it's better hot than cold, right? And that's it, guys. Tune in next time. Bye.
So good, right?
You know the best is when you like eat all your food and you drink at the end. And you feel the burn with the soda. So good.